Sagutan natin tong problems. Multiply the following. Let's start with 1. Negative 3i times 4i. Okay, so meron tayong multiplication of complex numbers. So for the first problem, negative 3i times 4i. So multiply lang natin yung coefficients muna. Negative 3 times 4, negative 12. And then yung I, we have I times I, that's I squared. Etong I squared, equivalent siya sa negative 1 kasi we have the definition of I equal to square root nung negative 1. So when we square both sides, we have I squared is equal to square root ng negative 1 squared negative 1 na lang. Right? So therefore, pwede pa natin itong ma-simplify as negative 12 times I squared, which is negative 1. So negative 12 times negative 1, positive 12. Number 2, 5i times 7 minus 2i. So, pwede nating i-distribute itong 5i. I-multiply natin sa bawat terms na 7 minus 2i. So, we have 5i times 7, then plus 5i times negative 2i. So, 5i times 7, that's 35i, right? Then 5i times negative 2i, so 5 times negative 2, that's negative 10. Then I times I squared. So we have 35i, negative 10. Again, itong I squared, pwede natin gawing negative 1. So bale magiging 35i minus 10 times negative 1, positive 10. Or unahin natin yung real part, we have 10 plus 35i. Next, for number 3, 2 plus I times 3 minus 2i. So this time, pwede natin gamitin yung FOIL method. Okay? So multiply muna natin itong 2 times 3, then plus, ito namang product ng 2 times negative 2i, plus product nitong 3 times I, then plus the product ng I times negative 2i. So simplify natin, 2 times 3, that's 6. Then 2 times negative 2i, negative 4i. Plus 3i, copy. So I times negative 2i, that's negative 2i squared. So 6, then pwede natin i-combine yung negative 4i plus 3i, negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1, right? So, bale negative 1i or simply, negative i na lang to. Then, minus 2, again yung I squared gawin nating negative 1. So, magiging 6 minus I, minus 2 times negative 1, positive 2. Or pwede pa nating i-combine yung 6 plus 2, that's 8 minus I. So, we have 8 minus I. Next, dito tayo sa number 4. Negative 3 plus 4i times 2 plus 5i. Again, FOIL method. So, multiply natin yung negative 3 times 2. Then, next, plus negative 3 times 5i plus next, 4i times 2 plus 4i times 5i. Then simplify natin, negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Negative 3 times 5i, negative 15i. Then 4i times 2, positive 8i. Plus 4i times 5i, 20i squared. So we have negative 6. Again, pwedeng i-combine yung negative 15i plus 8i. That's negative 7i. Plus 20. Again, yung i squared gawin nating negative 1. So magiging negative 6 minus 7i. 20 times negative 1, negative 20. Or combine pa natin yung constant na negative 6 minus 20. That's negative 26 then copy yung minus 7i. So negative 26 minus 7i is the final answer. Last, for number 5, negative 7 times negative 4 plus 8i. Ito madali lang. I-distribute lang natin tong constant na negative 7, multiply each term by negative 7. So negative 7 times negative 4 plus negative 7 times 8i. So negative 7 times negative 4, positive 28. Then negative 7 times 8i, negative 56i. So this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman, multiply the complex numbers 5 plus 3i times negative 2 minus 7i and just comment your answers.